What's up, guys? So when we were in California a couple weekends ago picking up Chuck's Blazer, I got from my buddy Nick's the one last thing off the K10 that I needed. Anyways, if you've seen how I have my rear shocks set up on the K5, they're pretty much in the stock position, and as you can tell, it's not good. They're just kind of at a weird angle because we put the 14 bolt back here. We never did even readjust the shock tabs. They're in the stock location. So in order to put a larger shock on here and get more flex, the last thing that I got from Nick's before he got rid of the K10 was this inboarding kit. And it's just basically a cross member, three-piece system that just bolts in, and then you have all these options here for where you want to mount your shocks. And I'm pretty sure Nick said in the center holes you could put a 12-inch shock. I'm pretty sure that's correct. They're going to be at kind of an extreme angle, but he thinks it should be okay. We'll see when I get it all installed, but I've got them all cleaned up right now, all the pieces, and I want to put some fresh paint on them. So I'm going to get that done, and then I'll show you what they look like. Alright, got it all painted up, put 3 coats on it, so it's all ready to go. All I got to do is, we've got to remove, and I believe we need to grind out some rivets where the bump stops are, because that's pretty much where it's going to mount to, in between the 2 frame rails there. I'll show you guys a couple pictures from DIY4X. What it's supposed to look like after it's installed, and once I get mine installed, I will show you guys. So pretty much just grinding off those rivets, taking the bump stops off, and then I'll have to weld on some new shock tabs behind the axle and buy some new shocks, and we're good to go. So I'll put up a couple pictures of the pictures off DIY4X. Basically, this kit, I'll leave a link in the description for this kit as well. It's like 189 bucks on DIY. It should work out perfect. I'm pretty sure it is for a K10 or a K5. It'll work on either one. So anyways, hope you guys are having a good day, and we'll talk to you guys soon.